The Flex series from Broan is a new patent-pending series of mid-range ventilation fans. The Flex series gives you the flexibility to handle new construction and room-side retrofit installation from one hard-working product line. With the most versatile line covering various CFM and SON levels, lighting options, ENERGY STAR compliant models, and decorative designs, you can meet all installation needs when moderate price points matter. Foldable mounting ears allow the fan to be used in both new construction and retrofit installations. For new construction, use the ears to attach to the ceiling structure. In a retrofit, fold the ears back to slide the housing into the ceiling hole, then attach to the structure through the housing wall. Because installation processes can vary, the Flex line comes with a removable flange. The Easy Duct connector can be installed from room side with no need for attic access. New damper technology provides a tighter seal and helps to reduce cold and warm air backdraft. In fact, Flex fans reduce air leakage by up to 50% compared to competitive models, resulting in better home performance via blower door tests. Whatever the job, new construction or retrofit, the Flex series from Broan offers an easy, versatile solution.
Bright daylight as you get ready for the day. Relaxing warm light as you get ready to turn in. The Broan Selectable CCT fan offers adjustable color temperature that puts you in control of the mood of your bathroom. Match your vanity or create the look you desire. Adjustability is right at your fingertips, controlled at the light switch. A simple on-off-on advances the light to the next color temperature. And your Broan Selectable CCT fan will remember your last color selection until you cycle it again. Room-side installation with the Easy Duct connector means a fast installation without the need for attic access. The clean cover grille offers a modern look that matches most common ceiling colors. And the powerful fan delivers high-performance ventilation at low noise levels. 3000K offers soft white light. It's warm and cozy. 3500K means bright white, convenient to daily life. 4000K is cool white and will accentuate lighter colors. 5000K is daylight and is crisp and illuminating. Easily control color temperature in your bathroom. The Broan Selectable CCT fan.
This is a review of the Air King BFQ90. This is a very high performance bath fan. Puts out 90 CFM at 2.5 zones, which is a very low sound level. It's made by Air King, obviously. Comes with a large 10-inch by 10-inch grill, and then the torsion bars hold it on, torsion springs, which are right there underneath. So they quickly disconnect. The motor itself is a split capacitor 4-pole motor that's lifetime lubricated and rated for continuous operation. That shows you what kind of quality you're getting here. The fan housing itself is ABS plastic that's rated for flame retardants. There's a 4-inch duct work right here, and the backdraft flapper is non-metallic, so it's very quiet. That bracket on the side is important because it allows for very quick installation. You connect the wiring and the ducting after you screw that bracket onto the ceiling joist, and you snap the fan into place. So it's one of the fastest bath fans you'll ever have to install. I'll unscrew the access plate here to allow you to get to the wiring and show you what that looks like. Overall, this is a UL rated product for tub or shower if it's connected to a GFCI circuit. You need 6 inches of clearance in the ceiling for the bracket. There's the access with the wiring underneath, and there are a couple of punch outs so you can run in the wiring right there. Yeah, you can see them on the side and on the back. It's a heavy-duty fan, very quiet, and with that continuous rating, it makes for a super nice, high-quality fan. It will last a long time. Here's some more details on the motor. You can see there 120 volts, 60 hertz at 0.45 amps, so less than half an amp. You can see the fan here with the multiple blades on the inside. Spins very freely. It's balanced. Just a really high quality product. I think you'll like it a lot.